Welcome to your journey home into the world of Excel Homes. We strive to create lasting value in all our communities. This is best achieved when you, as the homeowner, know and perform some simple, basic maintenance tasks.
Periodic maintenance is necessary because of normal wear and tear, the inherent characteristics of materials used in your home, and normal service requirements by the various systems and equipment in your home.
Excel Homes is pleased to provide simple and easy-to-follow seasonal checklists that will ensure your home will remain healthy and beautiful. Let's start with the inside of your home, specifically your furnace and air exchange system. Maintaining a healthy furnace will not only extend the life of your furnace, but save you money in the long run.
Check your HRV or heat recovery ventilator unit. You may need to wash or replace the filter.
Moisture can create condensation issues and costly repairs. Regularly check your humidifier for potential leaks and replace the filter if necessary.
Change your furnace filter. It is recommended to do this every month for the first year.
Test your carbon monoxide smoke detectors. Change your battery in your thermostat.
Check all your ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs.
If applicable, check your sump pump to ensure it is in good working order.
And finally, check your basement mechanical. Look for any leaks with your hot water tank or furnace.
For the exterior, clean out your window wells and swales.
Check eaves troughs and downspouts for any damage. Place them down to allow proper drainage and clean out any debris.
Check for missing, damaged, or loose shingles. Ensure proper safety precautions when working at a dangerous height. Check your siding to ensure that it is secure and for any damage.
Check concrete flat work, such as your driveway and walkway, for any frost damage. Depending on the weather, wash and seal your driveway as per product recommendations. And finally, turn on exterior taps and check for any leakage.
Maintaining your new residence properly and regularly will ensure that every facet of your home performs as intended, avoiding unnecessary and costly repairs. Congratulations on your new home purchase with Excel Homes. At Excel Homes, it's all about simplifying your journey home.